In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove the search icon from your Shopify store. As you can see in the top right, I have search icon, and at the end of this video, I will not have that search icon anymore. Now, here is exactly how you can do the same thing. You want to just log into your Shopify, and after that, guys, let me just log into my Shopify right now. Now, after guys you log into your Shopify, you will have to do these things, simple things, to remove the search icon. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on online store, okay? And after that, guys, you want to click on actions or three little dots, okay? Some people have actions here, some people have three little dots. Now, you want to click on it and then click on edit code, okay? Now, after guys you click on edit code, you will have to search in the top left. You want to search for base, okay? This is how you type base, and after you search for base, you will see here something called base.css, okay? Now this is what we need, guys. We want to click on that file, and after guys you click on base.css, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, okay? Here, okay? This is exactly where you have to enter the code that I am going to add this code in the description of this video, okay? You want to click Ctrl V, like you want to paste that code here. As you can see, this is exactly where you need to paste that code. And after that, you want to click on save, okay? Now after guys you click on save, your your Shopify will not have the search icon anymore, okay? I'm going to check that. I'm going to go to my Shopify right now. I'm going to reload the page. I still have the search icon. I don't know why. I'm going to do that right again. I'm just going to search for base. And we took the assets, okay. I'm going to do that again. Edit code. Base. Yeah, I'm going to click on here on the base, and scroll down, and here, as you can see, space, okay? Make sure you do a space. That's why it didn't work. Space, and then you want to click, as you can see, and then click save, and the search icon will be removed from your Shopify. If you go to Shopify, you will not, so as you can see, disappeared. The search icon disappeared from Shopify. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Please drop a like.